In today's video, I will take you through the traits of sense of humor with the help of graphology. But before we start our video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my new videos. Sense of humor is a trait that can add charisma to your personality. I am sure everyone would love to add this trait to their personality. To do so, make sure you watch this video till the end. There are few distinct ways that indicate traits of sense of humor. Sense of humor shows where there is a wavy line at the starting of M and N. Above is the example of wavy M and N. Where wavy line joins with the rest of letter with curved stroke, it's very strong sense of humor. Where wavy line joins with the rest of letter with the angled stroke, it is dry sense of humor. Above is the example of curved stroke and angled stroke. Not necessary everyone who has sense of humor will always show in handwriting. There is one more trait that, if used correctly, could turn out to be sense of humor. That trait is sarcasm. If the T crossbar fades at the end, it's sarcasm. Right-handed person may show it on right side and left-handed person might show it on left side.